Really be in my own zone. Phone ring, I act like I got no phone. Invite me to the party, I'm a no-show. Or a pastel, something like a rose gold. I duck the photos, don't need no full bros. But if I am committed, I give it my whole soul. I'm a old soul. Don't talk to me about politics, I don't like that sort of thing. Really be in my own zone. Phone ring, I act like I got no phone. Invite me to the party, I'm a no-show. Or a pastel, something like a rose gold. I duck the photos, don't need no full bros. But if I am committed, I give it my whole soul. I'm a old soul. Don't talk to me about politics, I don't like that sort of thing. If you don't like me, you ain't gotta talk to me. And if you love me, then say it, but only if you mean it. I can't take another heart-crushing disappointment. Nah. Yeah, I be on my dolly mostly every day. A lot of people phony, that shit ain't okay. You cool with the homie, I am not the same. I don't see the same, feel like you should know how the seasons change. Oh, I'm at the function, don't know who to trust. That's why my crib is where I'm turning up. Sometimes I be wondering if my girl really fuck with me. Yet I know that she fuck with me, man, I'm fucked up. Shit on my plate, making sure my youngin' straight. People ask me how I'm doing, I just smile and say I'm great. I ain't going back to palm tree liquor, life is what you make. Man, I gotta get this cake, really ain't no other way. I said I ain't got time for it if it ain't real. Niggas run they mouth, but they always stand still. Think I seen a light coming out the anthill. Then a hater finna tell me, homie, you a end still. Like, if you down, please tell me what's the deal. See you with a frown, G, I know how you feel. Said when you around me, you could keep it real. Said when you around me, you could keep it real. You could keep it real. You could keep it real. Said when you around me, you could keep it real. So you could keep it real. You could keep it real. Said when you around me, you could keep it real. Tell me how you feel.
Tell me how you feel. Tell me how you feel. Tell me how you feel. 'Cause I wanna know you, I wanna know.
Swerving in the locomotive, yeah. Straight too far from hopes and motives, yeah. Tired of leaning, broken shoulders, yeah. Weighted on me, motion coaster, yeah. Emotions like a roller coaster, broken sober, rolling over. Hold me closer, 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 yeah. Where you at? You really coming over here? Wait, I keep bringing extra baggage, yeah. Package after package packing, yeah. I'm just trying to make it happen, yeah. I can give you love in fractions, yeah. I just wanna know you're free. Open you, and open me. Openly, be close and free. Holding you, and holding me. Damn, I got somebody who not from your town. I got somebody who nobody found. I got a yellow boy fuck like a circus, and he just keep hitting it. Fuck if it hurts me, and I just keep reaching, man. Fuck if it hurts me. I know I'ma get it. I know that for certain. I know that for certain. I know that for certain. I know I'ma get it. I know that for certain.
If you down, please tell me what's the deal. See you with a frown, G, I know how you feel. Said when you around me, you could keep it real. Said when you around me, you could keep it real. You could keep it real. You could keep it real. Said when you around me, you could keep it real. So you could keep it real. You could keep it real. Said when you around me, you could keep it real. Yeah, tell me how you feel. You ain't gotta act like everything's okay. Think you hiding, but it's all over your face. People cold, but with me, you know you safe. I'ma keep you warm. I done seen the storm, this and many more. Love you when you dead broke. Love you when you mad rich. Love you when you piss poor. Love you like yo, fuck it, I'm feeling like we should get lost. Get the next flight, more life, out of sight, out of mind. Fuck a lie, you ain't perfect, but you try. Give a fuck about what they say, cause you worth it in my eyes. I don't care about what you did, cause that shit ain't who you is. Got a heart that's full of scars, still I wear it on my wrist like a Cuban link. What you know about this shit I'm rocking, it's that new shit. Homie, you should cop it, it was free. Lil' homie, it don't matter what you rockin' on your feet. 2018, niggas out here finding peace. Like, if you down, please tell me what's the deal. See you with a frown, G, I know how you feel. Said when you around me, you could keep it real. Said when you around me, you could keep it real. You could keep it real. You could keep it real. Said when you around me, you can keep it real. So you can keep it real, you can keep it real. Said when you around me, you can keep it real. Tell me how you feel.
We wanted to talk to you about the video that you made.
Did you like it?
No, I didn't.
Then I didn't make it. Bye-bye.